Hey, what's going on, everybody? Sadistic Picker. Was trying to pick along with everybody at Lockheat's channel and ladylocks. So we're gonna pick one on my channel and upgrade my phone so I can pick with everybody else. I think my phone's too old. That system's just not supporting it. So there's one, there's two, 3, 4, 5, core movement, 6, a little more core movement, go back to 1.
Oh my God, no!
Oh my God, no! That was 4. Okay, there's 5. Overset 1? Hold on. Yeah, I overset 1.
Kevin, do you know anything about Allie said I had a package yesterday?
I didn't see it. I'm sorry. You have to text her. That felt like it moved. There. And we got an open. So this was sent from Maya from Denmark. This is a Ruko clone. And let me go grab, well, actually, let's try to pick this as Asec, since that was Asec. That was fast. Yeah, these Jimmy Longs aren't bad. Matter of fact, I might use this video for ladylocks 300 as a extra thing. Or no, she didn't have a thing like that. She just said comment and follow supporters, which I thought was a great idea. Supporting other channels. I try to support as many pickers as I can and put as much time as I can into following them. Whenever I get a second. Uh-oh. Sound like I lost a couple. Well, or never even really had them. I felt like core movement, but yeah, there's one forced. I don't really like using these tensioners when you're this far away from the lock. I mean, it works sometimes really good on some locks, but sometimes I don't think you should use it, like on ovals. lost 2. Nothing. Didn't even get 1. Let's just try the standard. And there's the Asec. Alright. So, we got 2 lucks. See, I wished I could be doing this on ladylocks and lockheats live pick, but again, unfortunately, my luck wouldn't, or my phone won't run with their system. And it's a bummer. It makes me want to cry. No, but it would be a lot more fun picking with everybody. But we'll just make some content for my channel. That's a little too big. Get that kicked off. So I got some packages that are coming in the mail. I'm excited. One's from CL Builder and Pin Maker that a lot of people know, Jay Gabriel. And it's an Avis Loto CL. So I'm excited for that. And then I got some giveaway stuff coming. So we're going to do a subscriber 100 appreciation pick and giveaway entry. So that'll be fun. Probably Friday. And hopefully I'll get time to do a couple videos. Before then, I'm going to try to start making time for my channel again, because I do love to pick and talk, and I do love a good Iseo. So, oh, there we go. Got some core movement off of 3, a little bit of movement off of 4. Nothing on 5. I think we've ran into a spool. Try 1. Yeah, I think it's 1 at least. There we go. Now we're really stuck on something. Oh, here's 3. Huh. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 5. Come on, which one is it? I think it's 3? There it is. Okay, so we got the Iseo done too. Alright, well, for everybody out there that might watch it, we got a cloned Ruko, an Iseo, and an Asec. 3 picks, and like I say, I wished I could have done this with some of my other picker friends, but soon we'll get a better phone and we'll get to be able to do that type of stuff too. So thanks everybody for watching. Hit the like button, and I appreciate you watching. Any questions, comments, feel free. Alright, peace out guys.